Honey, calm down.
It's you chief of man and yet.
It is a few minutes past 8 p.m. The kids are sleeping, and it's been a long, stressful day. So I just want to quickly make some mocktails for my husband and I because we deserve it for being awesome parents. Because the summer holidays, long back, is showing us all kinds of pepper. But we serve a living God, so we'll thrive, okay? So I'm going to be making 2 mocktails today, one for myself and one for my husband. I mean, I'm making the 2 because what if one of us likes the other one better than the other one? Yeah, so I'm making Pineapple Fanta type of situation, and then I'm making a Watermelon Coke mocktail. See, these mocktail recipes are like, you will not think that you need them, but actually you will love them. It's a combo you would never have dreamed of, but you're going to love it. So let's get started, okay?
People of God, the long vacation is almost over. And you know that phrase, finish hard. It's so hard, but we are keeping it locked down, okay? So let me start by making the mocktail for my husband. So in the glass, I've put some ice cubes and some lemon wedges or lime wedges. I'm adding also some fresh watermelon juice and then topping it off with some chilled Coca-Cola. This combination is fire, trust me. He really enjoyed it. And the best part is that the kids were asleep. So, you know how it is when you don't have any interferences when you are enjoying the things you love. Okay, so I hope you try this very simple watermelon Coke mocktail. So, like I mentioned earlier, I made 2, one for me and one for him, but with different ingredients, of course, because I didn't want us to be done and then we'll be like, we didn't like this one. So this is the second one, okay. So my glass is here. I like mine to be cold, cold. So as you can tell, my glass is from the fridge, okay. I'm adding in some pineapple slices. So I also froze the pineapple slices maybe for about 30 minutes, yeah, before shooting this video. So once that goes in, I'll top up with my chilled Fanta as well. And I don't know if any of you tasted the pineapple Fanta before when it was in the market. I can't find it anywhere now in Ghana, but anyway, when you drink this, that's what it reminds you of. So if you were a lover of that flavor, just try this at home and then you come back and testify. See, this video is short because I'm tired, I'm exhausted really. But I promise I'll hang in there because we are almost at the end of the vacation, okay? By the way, do try these recipes and let me know how it goes. Also, subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about these simple mocktail recipes. Like this video, share on your way out, and as always, remember to keep blooming.